Dr. Aruna Sharma. I am head of the department and associate professor at Gini Devi Modi Girls PG College, Modi Nagar. I have been teaching in this college to my BA students, MA students, and research scholars leading to the PhD degree for last 30 years. And while having the complete experience of 3 decades almost, I have never seen such a workshop where each and every student's main talent is being highlighted, and I felt that the students who each student is having a different kind of a genius in himself or herself, and we as a tutor, we as a teacher, we as a mentor have a responsibility to dig out that talent from them. And if we are awakened, if we are enlightened, if we are really a knowledgeable teacher, only then we can provide that forum, that thrust, that kind of opportunity to that student to take out that talent from himself. While doing this workshop today, Dr. Rocco, who has been a great resource person from Italy, it was a great day for me to bring out something which was missing till now in my own personality itself. Although I have also conducted a SAM workshop, Sensitivity, Awareness and Motivation, which was sponsored by University Grants Commission at my college, where the teachers of higher learning from all over the country participated. There also this aspect was not covered. We were sensitized, we were motivated, we were made aware to make the class interesting, to make the students sit in the class, listen to us, grasp the knowledge and disseminate it and reproduce it so that we get good results. But we were never told the crux of it, that each child has a genius in himself and each child is special for us, and we have to be one-to-one to that child and bring out the best from him, and that could be done only if we are empowered and if we are qualified, if we are quality conscious, then only if we have that kind of a knowledge bank with us, then only we can disseminate the knowledge. And where that would come from, that was a wonderful experience, that we were told that each word we have to go repeatedly so that there is not in a single word missing in our vocabulary and thoughts, and the thought process is complete, only we have a complete linkage. So the thrust about the essential elements and possible linkages lead to the fullest completion and package which we want to give to our knowledge society today. Today, the 21st century is going to be a knowledge-based society. But the knowledge comes from the teacher. And if we have the teacher which was told today in a conference, I am sure that this kind of a teacher, if we can generate, the kind of teacher we want to know is the teacher who knows her subject the best. And how can she know? When she repeatedly has the key to all the words she is speaking in the class of 50 minutes. And that is not, there is absolutely no shortcut to that. That was the best punch of this workshop, that there is no shortcut to hard work. We have to have a detailed, we have to have a complex, we have to have a continuous practice, and the practice makes a man perfect. Perhaps if we become the perfect teachers, we can be a guiding source to our students to come out with their talent. That talent can be used to generate further knowledge, and the society, the drawback our society is facing today is that we are not producing knowledgeable students. We are only giving degrees to them, but employable, might be they are employable, might be we gave them the employment, but the basic knowledge and the basics of the discipline we are not going to provide, we are not able to provide them. And the reason I feel today is that although 30 years I have taught, perhaps not even a single day I realized that in every class I miss a word. And from today onwards, the 10 years more I have to teach, perhaps I would be recalling these moments and try myself to equip with those missing words and go to the class and empower my students. Thank you so much.